Hi and welcome to a new video. Did you know that you can get the new voice change feature in the latest TikTok update? In this video, I will show you how to use it for your future uploads.
Do you want to conveniently copy and paste the Wi-Fi password of the network you are currently connected?
Let's go. First, you need to make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok installed on your device. Open the app, then click on the plus icon in the bottom middle of the screen. Here you have the option to upload or record a video. I will just upload a video and move on to the edit page. While on this page, click on the arrow down icon and locate audio editing. There are many voice changing options here. You can try them all out and select the one you like most.
Do you want to conveniently copy and paste the Wi-Fi password of the network you are currently connected?
You can also pick curly voice, since this option is close to the text-to-speech feature. If you want to know how to use the text-to-speech on TikTok, then you can watch the video linked in the description below. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.